Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So welcome to Textbook Regulatory Bodies. So guys, in this particular video, we are going to decode the time gap between notification to phase 1 and phase 1 to phase 2 for your RBI grade B examination. Okay, so we are going to do some sort of comprehensive analysis from last 4 to 5 years. So basically, with this particular analysis, you'll get to know and you can accordingly plan your strategies for phase 1 and phase 2 for 2025 itself, right? So like there are so many candidates, those who are preparing for RBI grade B examination 2025 itself, they are sometimes they are confused around कि फोकस कहाँ पे होना चाहिए, फेज 1 के ऊपर होना चाहिए या फेज 2 के ऊपर होना चाहिए, टाइम अलॉटमेंट आपका कैसा होना चाहिए. सो विद दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो यू विल गेट अ फेयर आइडिया कि कहाँ पे आपका अलॉटमेंट होना चाहिए, how much time you'll get after your phase 1 examination, ठीक है, and once they release the notification, on an average how much time you'll get from if you go through the last 4 to 5 years analysis, right? So guys, these are the days, we can say the important areas आपका, ठीक है. So if you talk around the latest notification 2024, the notification date was 25th of July 2024, and the phase 1 which generally took place on 8th of September 2024 itself. Okay? So almost they have given 40 days for phase 1 after your notification, and the second one aapka, if you talk about the phase 2 examination, so it is 19th of October 2024, again 40 to 43 days in this particular one. Okay? So काफी अच्छा बैलेंस करके आपका दिया गया था, and like we have enough time to practice. So what is my suggestion to all of you, like just let's have a target key. Let's say if they release their notification around the July itself, ठीक है, same आपका जैसे last year किया गया था, ठीक है. So by this particular date you should have like some sort of completion of your foundation things and all, ठीक है. And during this particular period you will be practicing phase 1, and during this particular period you will be practicing your phase 2 examination, including like we'll give more time to our descriptive writings and all, so that will be a suitable strategy for this particular one. Okay? So not only 2024, if you talk about the 2023, so notification date was 26 April, and the exam was conducted on 9th of July. Okay? So almost आपका May, June. So in this particular case, they have given enough time for the phase 1 preparation. Okay? So almost आपका 40-45 days. Okay? And the if you talk about the July, now in this particular situation there was only 20 days for your phase 2 examination. This is also a scenario जहाँ पे you will get very limited time for the phase 2 preparation. ठीक है. So that's why I'm pushing everyone कि you should you should have a target कि by this particular one or by the end of July or before that particular one you are done with your first phase of preparation. Everything is covered, and during like just after the notification you only practicing things and all. ठीक है, वो phase 1 हो या phase 2 हो, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा practice पे हम लोग आपका time दे रहे होंगे. ठीक है. 2022 8th March was the notification days. 28 May was the आपका basically फर्स्ट फेज 1. ठीक है. सो ऑलमोस्ट 2 month आपका. ठीक है. सो मार्च, अप्रैल, देन मे, ऑलमोस्ट 60 days इन दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. ठीक है. देन आपका मे टू जून आपका. ठीक है. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर फेज अगेन 20-23 days फॉर फेज 2 एग्जामिनेशन. ठीक है. 21 आपका 25 जनवरी वॉज द नोटिफिकेशन डेट. 8 मार्च आपका फर्स्ट, ऑलमोस्ट 40 days अराउंड. ठीक है. एंड देन आपका अप्रैल, आफ्टर अराउंड 20-25 days they have conducted phase 2 examination. ठीक है. So this is for the journalist post. Journal post आपका journal stream of RBI grade B examination. All right. So now what you have to do, like take a target कि like by the end of those who are already preparing from last 3-4 months, take a target कि like this is your deadlines by the end of May or by the end of July. You are going to cover each and every keywords of your that particular course curriculum. ठीक है. Start practicing your phase 1 examination, because phase 1 is very important. सिंपल सा लॉजिक है, अगर आप फेज 1 क्रैक करेंगे तभी फेज 2 में जाएंगे. दूसरी चीज, इट इज नॉट अ सिंपल गेम. ठीक है. सबसे ज्यादा एलिमिनेशन आपका फेज 1 के अंदर होगा. ठीक है. and you'll face a huge competition also. ठीक है, people those who are preparing for other examination like banking और आपका insurance और आपका गेट एंड अदर्स, ठीक है, यूपीएससी, सो दे विल बी पार्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर वन. सो you need a like you have to make a balance between your speed and accuracy. Like first you will be able to achieve the accuracy, then what problem you will face कि आपका you are able to solve those particular question but you do not have that much of time. ठीक है, so practice will help you in that particular case. Still I'll recommend कि as of now your focus should be around 65 to 70% around the phase 1 examination, then practice through the mock test and all. Okay, and if you are let's say after giving any mock you find some areas where you won't be able to answer those particular questions, then go for the topic wise practice and all. Okay, once this is done, your accuracy is like let's say above 90 percentile. Okay, so in every mock test your percentile is more than 90%, then you can be like relaxed and you can focus on start preparing on phase 2 examination. Okay, so those who are preparing for DEPR and DSIM, these are the date also, so you can take the references as well. Okay, so notification date आपका it is expected in the month of July end or August. जितना डिले होगा उतना अच्छा होगा. Today like 8th that like 28 or something when the 2024 batch will be joining RBI. ठीक है, then आपका after that they'll come up with the new recruitments things and all. ठीक है, so it will take आपका 1 and 2 months, means again it will be similar around this July months or August months आपका. ठीक है, तो वहां तक आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिलेगा. इफ दे कम अप विद द ग्रेड ए नोटिफिकेशन तो दैट विल कम अर्ली, देन ग्रेड बी विल पुश फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा और लेट आपका होगा, डिले होगा. जितना डिले होता है दैट इज वेल एंड गुड फॉर अस, वी विल गेट मोर टाइम टू प्रैक्टिस एंड ऑल. ठीक है, बट you should have some target ki like assume ki this is your date, this is your deadline, and before this you are very well prepared for this particular examination, so that the remaining days aapka on an average you will get 1 month for your phase 1 and 1 month for your phase 2. Take it phase 2 as a 20 to 25 days only, because on an average they have done within that particular period, but last year they generally gave around 43 days for the phase 2 examination. ठीक है, तो फेज 1 आपका एक बार आप बिल्कुल रेडी होंगे तो यहाँ पे आप जो नोटिफिकेशन के बाद का टाइम होगा दैट इज ओनली एंड ओनली अराउंड द प्रैक्टिस थिंग्स एंड ऑल. ठीक है, तो दैट इज काइंड ऑफ that is my suggestion to all of you, so you can accordingly plan your studies and all. And if you need any other help from my side, just do mention into the comment section or do connect me on Telegram, so I'll try to help you out with these kind of things. Okay, and you can also subscribe our courses for foundation, for booster batch, or for the upcoming crash courses and other courses. Okay, it is a kind of a subscription and you can use my name as a code, so you'll get additional discount on these particular one. All right, so guys, I hope you found this particular session useful, and if you still have some queries around these particular date and your phase 1 and phase 2 preparation areas, I'll be coming with one more video where we'll be discussing around the different type of candidates and what should be their different strategies. Okay, but before that, if you have some doubt around this particular one, please do let me know in the comment section, so I can come up with some dedicated videos or thoughts around those particular questions also. All right, so this is it from my side. Thank you for joining this session, thank you for watching this session, and all the very best for your preparation, guys. Thank you.